Hey everyone, shenjack here. Today, a quick guide on how to properly use RDP on HarmonyOS devices. I've only tested tablets, not PCs. Let's walk through the process. First off, for step number 1, you are going to need to have the Windows app application. It doesn't matter how you actually find the APK, just make sure you get the Windows app APK file. Okay, go ahead and get it downloaded. Usually you won't have this installed. Close that. Once downloaded, the list is empty. You need to add one yourself. Tap Add in the top right, PC Connect Confirm. Right here, enter the IP address. This section is for your account. You simply need to go ahead and add a user account here. And of course, if your PC logs in using a Microsoft account, you need to use that. If it is a standard local user, then that means your username and password. So if you happen to find that your username and password are not working, you should try your Microsoft account instead. Leave the rest. This is the display name. This is the actual name. And this swaps mouse buttons. Ignore admin mode. You also don't need to worry about the gateway. Then here you can choose. For the display settings, by default, it actually applies some scaling. Just look at this. But you can set it to 3120 like this. That's my native resolution, the MatePad's native resolution. Alright, after you have saved it properly, it is important to note that we aren't finished just yet. Go ahead and tap on Devices and then open General. You need to turn on Use Scan Code Input when available. Turn it on. Okay, we are still not done. Usage Precautions. For example, let's connect. You see it's connected. Good, but we are still not done, not done, not done. Right now, there is a probability that you will find Ctrl+C is not usable. Or, another probability is that you discover your input method is simply not usable. You see I currently have the Celia keyboard up in the corner, so right now my Ctrl+Shift is not going to work. Shift works fine. Anyway, it is the input method. Right now, you are using the tablet's input. That means Ctrl+A is not going to work. Shift works normally, but Ctrl doesn't. How do we fix this? There. There. And that fixed it. I don't know why, but it actually works now. Yep, that's it. Thanks, everyone.